Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change booking date in Agoda. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website, and this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear right in front of you. And when you are inside it, you just have to click on the bookings, and booking section will be appeared right in front of you. Now just look on the left hand side of the screen and click on my bookings, and my booking section will be appeared. And on the right hand side, on the upcoming section, there will be list of the bookings that you have made. And in order to change the booking date in Agoda, you just have to choose the booking that you want to change, and below the booking there will be an edit button. Just click on the edit button, and the interface will be open right in front of you, and there will be edit date section. You just have to click on edit date and amend or change the date according to your desires. So this is how you can edit booking date in Agoda. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.